What's up? This is day 14 of cycling 1,500 miles around the state of Georgia for charity. Today we are in Athens, Georgia, and we are going up to Clayton. So we are finally getting into North Georgia, and it is cold, as you can see. Well, it's not cold, but it's gonna be windy, and we're going where it's going to be colder. Actually, it's kind of warm in the sun right now, and it's actually warmer than yesterday, which is funny. But today, we're going up to Clayton, Georgia. We're hitting the mountains. You guys are good to see how much Georgia has changed from down south in the coastal Georgia all up to the mountains now. So, but first, before we go, it's too pretty not to get some drone shots of Athens. This is home of University of Georgia. If you know anything about college football, you know what that means. So, yeah, drone shots, and then we moving onward. Red Bull, sponsor me. We are in a little town called Isla. I don't even know how it's a town name, but we are 16 and 3/4 miles in. We still got a trek ahead of us. While there's daylight and it's a little bit warm, let's get it. 28 miles in, and we got some mountains coming up in the distance. But right now we're going down before we go up. Already done about 1,600 feet of climbing today. I gotta go. Freaking love horses. We're getting there. We're about 50 miles in today. Man, it's been a hard day, guys. Hard day of climbing so far. 48.68 miles. And 2747 feet of elevation. So that was a car behind me. But onward we go. But woo, we are climbing at a 9% grade. Woo. And in a mile, 1.2 miles, 1 3/4 miles, so about 3 miles. We will have ascended 800 feet in elevation. We'll start at like 850, we'll end at like 1550, 1590, somewhere in there. A little less than 800 feet and over 3 miles, which I don't know. Maybe I should have done the mountains on the front end, not on the 1100th mile. We got half a mile left on this climb and 165 feet. Come on, 7%. It's flattening out. I hope I don't climb this much just to go down this much, just to climb this much, just to go down that much. All the way to Clayton, because if that's the case, I don't know if I'll make it tonight. I don't know if I'll make it. So this is Tallulah Village, and it's like an abandoned town. This is legitimately like an abandoned little town. Tallulah Point, Georgia. This is crazy. So I didn't realize we're actually above Tallulah Gorge right now. I knew we were coming to Tallulah, but I didn't realize we were gonna be right here. That all the way down there, this is Tallulah Gorge. It's like, I don't know, people say Providence Canyon in southwest Georgia is like the mini Grand Canyon, but this is unlike anything else, and I kind of want to get a drone up right now, but we're losing daylight. Let's do it. This is so beautiful. I can't. This is the other part about pushing hard up here is you're rewarded. Like, you're rewarded to the fullest. it just hits different up here. The North Georgia mountains just hit different. And man, it's cold. I'm gonna see if I can put the temperature on the screen for you guys. We are out here. That's the moon. I'm just using my phone right now, but we got some moonlight out here. We're only we're less than 2 miles away, and it just got dark so quick. It's not even that late, but it just got dark so quick. After that drone shot, like, it just went zoop. We're gonna get some food.